What do you see here?
It's getting easier and easier. Love hate, because now I'm gonna train my perception.
Okay, don't spoil it for the people that are slower, Michael. Come on.
Okay,
So,
I'll let you decide when you want me to talk.
Lon's got his hand up.
I didn't say anything with the good evil one before, but I actually saw hate first. And I think I saw good first because good was on the outside, and then I had to look to see what was in. Here I saw hate, and then I looked to see what was inside. So I don't know if it was because, I like hate before love, or because black before white, or what, but just what I noticed between the two.
Whoops, sorry.
Okay, and I need to turn myself off. Excuse me. I can't. Well, if I can get to it, never mind. So let me ask you another question. This was that Lon who was just speaking?
Yes.
Okay. And I realize you're a guy, but do you notice any difference in the feelings in your body? Or do you notice an internal shift depending on whether you see the word hate or you see the word love?
You asked a similar question about the old lady and the young lady, and my thought was not, well, I don't know that I felt an internal difference as much as I felt their difference. So to me, the young lady was this carefree, maybe looking off into the future. The old lady was more thoughtful, and so that's what I felt of feeling their feelings. So
in
that
terms of observing the two,
I was feeling or I thought I felt their feelings. Obviously, yeah, there's a big difference between hate and love and how you look at them. Hate is a little more sharp and pointy. Love is soft and round.
does anybody feel safer when they're focused on love and less safe if they're focused on hate? Nothing in the image is changing. So this is what your mind, your perceptions are doing with what's in front of you.
I think they're balancing each other. If it was just love on the right side and hate on the left, it would be differently emotionally. When they put on each other, they kind of balance each other out, like good and evil. It's the same, I'm an artist, so I look at things differently.
Diane Newman, you're paying attention and nodding. You want to comment?
Well, I don't know if I can. Okay, there I am. Okay. What I feel, well, first of all, we're coming into the season of love, okay, with Valentine's Day coming up. And I immediately see the pink. And I always look for, first of all, I always look for love. And I always like to see pink because I am a breast cancer conqueror. And so this makes me feel I ignore the hate, and I talk with my hands a lot too, but I ignore the hate and I just embrace the love because that's important to me.